This is a meditation for allowing life to be easy. Settle into a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Close your eyes if that feels right for you. Otherwise, soften your gaze. Take a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely, and exhale slowly through your mouth. Let your body relax with each breath. Inhale deeply and exhale fully. Allow your shoulders to drop, your jaw to soften, and your mind to begin to quiet. This meditation is an invitation to let life be easy, to release the pressure, the striving, and the constant push to do more, be more, and achieve more. You are enough, just as you are. Let this be a time to reconnect with the ease and flow of life, to trust that you are supported, and to allow joy and inspiration to guide you. Begin by bringing your awareness to your breath. Notice the natural rhythm of your inhales and exhales. There's no need to change anything, just observe. With each breath, imagine yourself sinking deeper into the present moment. Let go of any thoughts about the past or the future. This moment is all that exists. Now bring your attention to your body. Scan from the top of your head down to your toes. Notice any areas of tension or tightness. As you breathe in, imagine sending warmth and relaxation to those areas. As you exhale, let the tension melt away. You are safe. You are supported. You are here now. As you continue to breathe deeply, bring to mind the idea that life doesn't have to be hard. You don't have to push, struggle, or force your way through. Imagine a gentle flowing river. You are floating on this river, carried by its current. There's no need to paddle or fight against the flow. Trust that the river knows where it's going. Trust that you are exactly where you need to be. If thoughts arise about what you should be doing or how you should be working harder, gently acknowledge them and let them go. You don't need to earn your worth. You are already worthy, just because you are. You are already enough. You were born that way. Let the river carry you. Let life be easy. Now, bring to mind something that brings you joy. It could be a person, a place, a memory, or even a simple pleasure like the warmth of the sun on your skin or the sound of laughter. Allow yourself to feel that joy, to fully feel it. Let it fill your heart and radiate through your entire body. As you bask in this feeling, imagine that joy is a magnet, drawing to you the opportunities, people, and experiences that align with your soul's desire. You don't have to chase them. They are coming to you effortlessly and naturally. Trust in this process. Trust in the ease of life. If you feel inspired to take action, let it come from a place of joy and curiosity, not from fear or obligation. You are guided by your inner wisdom. You are supported by the energy that creates worlds. As we come to the end of this meditation, take a few more deep breaths. Inhale deeply and exhale fully. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Bring gentle movement back into your body. Whenever you're ready, gently open your eyes. Remember, life doesn't have to be hard. You are allowed to let it be easy. It is your natural state. You are allowed to rest, to play, to create, and to enjoy. You are a gift to yourself and to the world. Carry this sense of ease and joy with you as you move through your day. I thank you and thank yourself for taking this time to reconnect with your true nature. You are loved, you are supported, and life can be easy. Namaste.